Hi guys, I am Zainab. In this tutorial video, I will show you everything you need to know to get started creating your first NFT, putting it on an online marketplace, and hopefully to start making money from it.
Understand what NFTs are. An NFT is a collectible digital asset which holds a value as a form of cryptocurrency and as a form of art or culture. Much like art is seen as a value holding investment, now so are NFTs. But unlike the standard coin in the Bitcoin blockchain, an NFT is unique and can't be exchanged like for like.
The marketplace I have chosen for beginners is Rarible because its gas fees is actually quite lower than the gas fees of the other marketplace, which is super rare to sell NFTs. It is for legit people who are actually want to sell their art and who are serious about this. So their gas fees is way more higher than Rarible and OpenSea. So in Rarible, you don't have to sign up your account. You just have to connect your wallet. So let me take you to the wallet. You connect your wallet and they have many options. Whichever suits you, you connect to that wallet. Okay, so I have chosen MetaMask. I sign in to my account. Okay, so it's connected. Now I can upload my art. So I click create and the art which you need to upload here, let me tell you how you can create that digital art with simple tools. So you go to Canva and you choose custom size, whatever the width you like or the height you like, and you okay, so it's loading. You play around with the tools or the graphics you like, the backgrounds you like, and you create yourself a simple and cool NFT. And there's another tool I would like to share on which you can create your digital art. It's Capwing, and it seems like Canva. You can check it out here, all these options, and play around and find out what suits you and create your art. So see, there are GIFs as well. So you create a nice GIF and you sell it as NFT. Everything sells. Okay, so I go back to Rarible, and here are two options available, single and multiple. So if I choose single, it means that I want to keep my NFT rare. If I choose multiple, that means that I will be creating multiple copies of my single NFT. So for the sake of rarity of the NFT, I choose a single. Start from scratch. Okay, I upload my media here. Okay, I upload this one. Now it will present me with three options. One is fixed price, the other one is timed auction, and the third one is open for bids. Okay, so you select whichever one you like, and then I choose a fixed price, and I put here 0.5 Ethereum. So it will calculate everything, like the service fee they will charge is 2.5%, and what I will receive is 0.488 Ethereum, which is about $1,664. Okay, so it's loading. Okay, it's loading. It's taking too long. I don't know why. My internet connection is slow today. So, okay, while it's loading, let me tell you about the other options. So here you can choose either you want it art to be rare or you want to put it in a collection. Then you put a nice title here I put it's not Naruto, but I put Naruto, and you type in well, basically this part is optional, but it is the part where you can give people some bonuses so that they buy from you. And then royalties. What are these royalties? Basically, it's the percentage which you will be getting once you save this art, and if that art is further sold to anybody else, every time it's sold, you'll be getting the percentage you set according to that royalty. So I set 20%, or 20 is fine. Okay, so there are some advanced setting, properties optional. These are optional if you want to add some extra text or anything you want to. Okay, so here I was telling you that you need to give a unique link to this file outside the variable. So for that purpose, you will be needing to store it on a cloud storage so that everybody can access it easily. So you go to pinata.cloud. So it is actually made for NFTs where you can store larger files. The NFTs contain images, GIFs, and videos. So these are in high resolution. So you need to store them on a cloud which will stay, because Google storage will not be there forever. So Pinata Cloud is the one which will be for NFTs, and you can easily use it. You can get the free trial version, but then you will obviously need to upgrade it, so you can check its pricing here. Okay, so I go back to variable and I create my item. Okay, I need to put a link here. So let me put any link for the sake of this video. I create item. It's connecting. Okay. So now it will charge me some gas fees. So what is a gas fee? Gas fees is the amount of money which you will be paying to sell your art on this platform, which shows that how serious you are about your NFTs, about actually selling your stuff. Because if we allow everybody, people come here and they don't sell, so it's not for everybody to come here, only the people who are actually want to sell their art, so only they can join. Okay, now the gas fees which it's showing me is $181. So it means it is high, then it means that the traffic on this platform is quite high as well. So this gas fee varies with the traffic. So the higher the traffic, the higher the gas fee. So if you wear it out and let the gas fee come down and then put your art, or if you're in a hurry, then you'll have to pay this amount to get started. So I say within 4 to 5 days it will come down. You just wait a bit, wait a few days, let it come down, and then sell your art. So that is all you need to do, and to sell your art. I cancel it. Okay, so on wearable, and it's the same procedure for every website. Maybe some will require sign up, but this doesn't require a sign up. You just connect your wallet. Okay, so that's it for this tutorial video. Subscribe for more updates.